Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to import shoes from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this tutorial. Let's see how to import shoes from China with 1688 simple tutorial. So the very first thing we need to do is to simply click on here to open our 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for an item on 1688 from different supplier. Basically, there are so many ways to search for an item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the first easiest way to search for an item is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for into the search engine right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Another way to search for an item on 1688 is to simply click on this camera icon here, which stands for image search. And another way to search for an item is to click on here. This allows you to see every latest product, new product that was posted on 1688 by different supplier. Alternatively, you can click on here to search for an item by different category, or you can begin to scroll down just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see different items from different supplier on 1688 that you can import from China to any part of the world. After you have searched for an item, next thing you want to do is to see how to add an item to cart. So let's check out on how we can actually add an item to cart from a supplier on 1688. All right, so this particular shoe right here, I want to import it from China. So for me to buy this item, I have to simply scroll down and check all the products graphic detail. So the more you scroll down, the more you see detail about the product, just like so. So you can see the picture of the items. Okay, so once you're satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and add an item to cart. How do you add an item to cart? So first thing for you have to click on here, then open up this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to choose a color. So I'm going to choose black color. So I'm going to click on here. So I need size 28, 3 pieces of black, 1, 2, 3. I need size 30, 1 pieces. Then I need size 35, 1 pieces or so, just like so. After I successfully add them together, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. Successfully added to cart. So let's check on another store and see how to add an item to cart. All right, so from this store here, I need just 1 pieces of this shoe. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then I need black color. So I need black color size 34. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'll click on here to add it to cart. Successfully added to cart. So let's check on another store. So from this store also, I need just 1 pieces. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then I need this particular milk color right here. So I'm going to click on the color. Then I need size 19, just 1 pieces. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Successfully added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to view my cart. So we have everything right here in my cart. So next thing I need to do is to select all the items and proceed to checkout. So I have to make sure I click on here to select the first one here, select the second one, and I will scroll down, select the third one, and I will scroll down and select the very last one. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can see everything from the checkout right here, and I'm paying the sum of 331.70 yuan to purchase all the shoe. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payments. Then I'll click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to close the pop-up. Then I have to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to simply click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the shoes we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's as simple as that. So you can see everything right here. So basically, this is how to import shoes from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.